Hello student, today we will do question number 8 from exercise test yourself of chapter 1 of Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number, a dealer buy an article at a discount of 30% from the wholesaler, the market price being rupees 6,000. The dealer sells it to a consumer at a discount of 10% on the market price. If the sales are intrastate and the rate of GST is 5%, find total amount paid by the consumer for the article. SP for wholesaler is equal to rupees 6,000 minus 30% discount, 30 by 100 into 6,000 equal to 2,000 minus 1,500. This will be rupees 4,200. This is SP for wholesale. So CP for retailer will be this only. CP for retailer is going to use 4,200. The dealer sell it dealer, retailer, no, dealer it is. CP for dealer is equal to rupees 300. Dealers sell it to consumer at a discount of 10% on the market price. Or SP for dealer is equal to 10%, 6,000 minus 10% discount is giving 6,000. So 6,000 minus 600 is equal to rupees 24. $4,000. This is 5,400. SP for dealer. And therefore, number one, the total amount paid by the consumer for the article. So, total amount paid by the consumer equal to 5,400 plus GST is 5%, so 5 by 100 into 54. This is 5,670. Now question number 2. The tax and the GST paid by the dealer to the state government. Profit. First we'll find profit made by dealer is equal to cost price. What this SP for the dealer is 5400 minus 4200. This is selling price and this is cost price. So rupees 1200. So the tax and the GST paid by dealer to the state government. We have to find SGST. So SGST we will find GST is 5%, so SGST will be 2.5%. 2.5 by 100 into on profit we will find 1200. Let's see. If you multiply this, so rupees 30, this 30 will be answer. Now see question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is the amount of tax under GST received by the central government. Then CGST we have to find. CGST paid by wholesaler is equal to 2.5 by 100 into CP4 SP4. This was 4200. This will be cut. So this will come it's rupees 105. CGST paid by wholesaler and CGST paid by equal to SGST. This is SGST, profit made by dealer, SGST. This will be equal to rupees 30. Therefore, total amount of tax under GST received by, therefore total tax equal to 105 plus 30 equal to rupees 135. This is answer. I hope you must have understood these solutions. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.